Hello children, welcome to my channel. Please, this is my personal request. Please see my video from starting till last. Okay. Today I am giving you a term x to the power 6, y to the power 6 is equal to what? This is to be obtained. Formula for this. How can we derive this formula? X to the power 6 and y to the power 6. This can be written as x square whole cube. Isn't this? Minus y square whole cube. Okay, this can be written as in this way. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6. This is the formula of x cube minus y cube. Okay. Now x cube plus y cube, this can be written as by using the formula that a plus b whole cube. This can be written as a cube plus b cube minus 3 times plus 3 times ab into a plus b. And that is where, and second formula is a minus b whole cube. This can be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3 times ab into a minus b. We have to use this formula. This is the second formula. From here, this can be written as, it means a cube minus b cube. If it will be fixed, if we kept this in right hand side, then, and it is to be bring on left hand side, then we'll get here a minus b whole cube plus 3 times ab into a minus b. This will be equal to, into a minus b, this will be equal to a cube plus minus b cube. Okay, this is well known to us. By using this, we can write this form in this. In place of a, we have to put x square. In place of b, we have to put y. It means this can be written as x square minus b square whole cube minus plus 3 times x square y square into x square minus y square. Okay, correct. From this we can take x minus y single power as a common, because this is x square minus y square, this is x square minus y square whole cube. So that single x square y square can be taken as common. Okay, correct. Then we'll get here square of this x square minus y square whole square plus 3 times x square y square. Correct. This is x square minus y square. Now this can be opened. This can be opened. How it can be opened? It will be x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2 times x square y square plus 3 times x square y square. This will be equal to x square minus y square into x to the power 4 y to the power, this will get cancelled, we get x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus x square y square. This will be the answer. For the case when we are using x square in terms of cube. Okay. Now second method we can do it another way by using this, that x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6. This can also be written as x cube whole square minus y cube whole square. Answer should be same. Answer should be same. Now we are going to note it down. The answer is x square minus y square into x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus x square and y square. Okay, this is to be noted. Now I'm going to rub it, and calculation going to do it by second method. Okay. Whatever the type of the formula you can use, whichever formula you can use it. Now this is our second method. We are given that x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6. This can be written as x cube whole square minus y cube whole square. Okay. This is a square minus b square. This can be written as x cube plus y cube into x cube minus y cube. Similarly, now further we have to kept in mind, we have to memorize that a cube plus b cube, this can be written as per the previous I have written that this will be equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3 times ab into a plus b, or we can say this can be written as a plus b common ले लें, then a plus b whole square minus 3ab. Correct? Similarly, a cube minus b cube, this can be written as a minus b to be taken common. That is a minus b whole square plus 3 times AB. Okay. Now, putting these values, this is in that room. We can write it as, in place of A, we have to put x cube x. In place of B, we have to put y. That will be equal to x plus y whole cube, x plus y common within a bracket, x plus y whole square minus 3 times x y. Okay, into multiplication x minus y common into this inside the bracket, x minus y whole square plus 3 times xy. Correct? Now this and this get multiplication, it will be the multiplication of these two terms will be x square minus y square. Inside this bracket, this will be equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy, and that is minus 3xy. It means we'll get here x square plus y square plus 2xy will get cancelled with minus 3xy. It means we'll get only xy. Simple. And for here, x square plus y square minus 2xy plus xy plus 3xy is already there, so that we'll get here that x square plus y square plus xy. This will be the form. This we have received here. This is very much okay. Now this is to be converted. Now x square minus y square. This get multiplied by this. X to the power 4 plus x square y square plus x cube y. Okay. Now y square plus x square plus y to the power 4 plus y cube x. Not minus x is going here. Minus x square y square minus x cube y minus x cube y minus x cube y minus y cube x minus x square y square. Correct? Now this is x cube y and this is x cube y. This get cancelled. This y cube x, this y cube x get cancelled. This is x square y square, this is x square y square cancelled. Now what we are having inside the bracket is x square minus y square, that is x to the power 4 plus y square x square plus y to the power 4. Same answer as we are using here. X to the 4, x to the 4, y to the power 4, y to the power 4 plus x square y square plus x square. Answer is same. So you can use either this method, that squaring x then cube, or you can use cubing first then squaring it. Answer will be same, but formula should be known to you. All the formula should be in your memory. Either is related to the cube of the x minus y or x plus y whole cube, or it is related with the x plus y whole cube or x minus y whole square, x plus y whole square. These, if formulas are known to you, then you can solve in the easiest way. Okay, thanks for watching my video. It will be, I think, very helpful to you, and please don't forget to like and give me the subscribe and like. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.